Hey and welcome to Alpha. So once again I have just had a live session where I'm trading at IQ Cents. I trade live for binary option every Monday to Friday and you can follow my trades anytime. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you never lose a trade. I will now show you the trades that I have done today. Win rate today was so-so, but we still made some profit. So that's the most important, okay? But before I do that, make sure, so when you can follow me tomorrow and the coming days, make sure you at least open a demo account with this program. You find a link below the video. But if you decide to go in with real money, if you really believe that this is something you can manage to do, I will show you after how I trade. So you can easily take a decision if you like to trade together with me and if it's something you manage to copy, okay? So if you are deciding to go in with real money, make sure you use the promo code also that you find below the video. You get 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count, okay? Now I'll show you how I trade and the trades we have done today, okay? So basically when I'm live, what I do, typically I put this in the bottom like this so we can see everything a little better. I drag it down a little like this. Then I put up some lines. And typically what I do, I change the color scheme, like here, change green for a buy. So when you have green, then it's the up button. And if I put a line in the top, can be for example up here, then I put that one for red. And then I'll say something like this. If you come up to this red resistant line you see up here, push the down button. If you come down to the green one here, push the up button. And we will do that as long as I'm still trading on this pair, okay? So that is basically how I trade. And I always say, if you are not able to see these lines, I will repeat it till you can see it, because I will always have a chat open. So you can basically just go in and you can tell me if you don't see it and I will repeat it till you have it, okay? So that is basically how I'm trading. It's super easy to follow, and yeah. So if you think this is something you want to go in with real money right away, you have promo code and everything below the video. But it's perfectly okay to just start with demos. You can see that you managed to follow with all this good stuff. So now to the trades that I have done today. Like I said, it was not the best day, but we turned a profit. So you can see all the trades we have done here now since down here. So we started here, we started quite good with 4 winning trades. Then we had the losing streak of 4. Then you see we had a win, lose, win, win, and then we ended up with a small profit. So today our profit is just 249. But the good thing is every time we trade we get this cash back up here. So now let's push this button and all this will be added to your balance. So let's push there. There we got ourselves another $90. So our profit is then $339 profit. That is not super much, but it's one of our worst days. But still, you see, on a bad day, even with a bad day, we are making money. So if you think this is something for you, make sure you tune in tomorrow. Turn on the bell notification so you don't lose my live stream for tomorrow. And I hope I see you there. And make sure at least you have a demo account. Use the link you find below the video so you can follow my trades and then see if it's something you want to do. Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow.